Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you how you prepare your Eyop and make soup with it, because a lot of people have been asking that or complaining that making their Eyop for soup there is always a lot of sand. So I'm going to show you how you can make it without feeling sand. So like my video, give a thumbs up, share with friends and family. See you. Yeah guys, in today's video we are going to show you how you prepare cook your banga Eyop palm fruit. This is palm fruit for soup, because a lot of people have been complaining after cooking this they will be feeling sand. Yes, it is true. So when you want to cook it, soak it for 5 minutes. Soak it for 5 minutes before you wash it finally, then boil it. So now we are soaking it. After 5 minutes, we are going to wash it out, then boil it. See how dirty the water is. And if you look direct, you see sand. You see sand particles. You see it. You see here, the feeling. This is sand. That is sand. And we pour it into a clean water now. It is ready for cooking.